Hey everyone, I'm Jeep Mama and I'm not in my garage today. I'm out here at AOAA and I'm going to share with you the 5 must-have mods for your Jeep when you go off-roading. The first mod you should have when you go off-roading are tow points. Good sturdy tow points. This is the first modification I made to my Jeep, was a front bumper. The second modification you should make to your Jeep is get rid of that plastic side step if you have it. And go with some good, strong rock sliders. Yep, I'm a Minnesota Vikings fan. Another good modification to make to your Jeep is some new diff covers. Stronger, sturdier diff covers.
Right on your Riddler.
What was I thinking?
You were thinking how awesome this is going to look in the video. Yeah, you're good. You're scraping a little, but it's okay. Right on top. That's why you painted those diff covers.
Yes. So when you're crawling all over those rocks and your undercarriage is scraping the bottom of those rocks, it's a really good idea to add some armor to the undercarriage of your Jeep. Sometimes those stock skid plates just don't do it. Speaking of skid plates, I tend to get caught up on my control arm brackets, so I fortified mine with some skid plates. Number 5, your air dam. I removed mine when I replaced my front bumper. If you plan to do rock crawling, you might think about just removing it, as it could cut down on your clearance and approach angle. Check out the link below for more on this air dam thing.